Okay, guys, today we are looking at percents to fractions and then back from fractions to percents. Um, this is a relatively simple thing to do. I'll show you how we can go about that. And then if you guys have any questions, you can shoot me a message on Google Classroom or join the Remind app and ask me on there. But let's go ahead and get started, and I'll switch over to the notes. Okay, so on your screen, you see Cyber Day 11 percents to fractions. So let's say we have 70%. Now, a percentage is always based out of 100. So 70% basically means 70 out of 100. So we're going to convert that to a fraction by saying 70 out of 100 or 70 over 100. Then we simplify that fraction, and that is basically all we do to convert percents to fractions. So let's try with 120%. That means 120 out of 100. When we simplify, we have a common factor of 20, so we're going to divide both the numerator and denominator by that common factor of 20, and we end up with 6 over 5. Or if you converted that to a mixed number, it would be 1 and 1/5. The last example we have is 7%, and that is the same as 7 over 100. They have no common factors other than 1, so we cannot simplify those. So let's review the steps on that real quick. We set our percentage up as a fraction. The percentage is the numerator, and the denominator is always 100 because percents are always based out of 100. Second step, we simplify the fraction if possible. To do that, we find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator, then divide them both by that greatest common factor. The quotient of the two, the numerator and denominator, are the simplified fraction. So now let's look at reversing that. So if we have 7 out of 10, and that's the fraction we start with, we're going to set a proportion of that equal to being over 100. Then we're going to go back to our cross multiply and divide, so we get 7 times 100, giving us 700. And then we're going to divide by that 10 there. 700 divided by 10 gives us 70, so that would be our missing link. Now that it's out of 100, our numerator is going to be our percent, and our percentage sign represents the 100 that it's out of. So like I said, if you have any questions over any of this or need some extra help, we are going to start doing Zoom sessions. I will hopefully release a schedule on that here a little bit sooner. Save difficult, like really lengthy questions for those sessions. But if it's something that we can address, in a quick message of a couple sentences or so, then by all means send it and we'll get everything taken care of. But other than that, good luck on the assignment. See you guys.